In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a very professional-looking price list in Canva. Canva is a great site for beginners where you can design anything you want, from graphics and visuals to video editing as well. So you just need to go to the Canva site and create an account. After creating your account, this is the interface you'll see. Now, go to the search bar and type Price List. You'll notice there are lots of options. There are tons to choose from, so pick whichever suits your vision and expectations. I like this one, and it's free as well. These are the paid ones. But let's go with the free options. After choosing a template, you have lots of customization options. You are completely free to edit anything. You can change the word tag list or price list. And if you want to change the font, just click on the text. And here you'll find the fonts option. You can see it here. And if you want to play around with this, just tweak and adjust your price list. And if you want to remove something, or if you want to move things around as you like, you can customize whatever you want. And for this one, just type N7 like this. And if you want to add anything else, go to the elements, or you can upload your own image by going to Uploads. You can upload whatever you want from your computer as well. And if you want to add this one, this is the logo. In this way, you can adjust anything, and you can also tweak, for example. Go to the corner rounding tool and adjust like this. Yeah, like this. This way, you can add your own logo too, and you can experiment with whatever you want. So in this way, you can easily design a price list for your restaurant or any other business as well. And if you have any questions about this video, please feel free to comment below. I will answer all the questions. And if this video helped you, then please like, share, and subscribe. I'll be bringing more tutorial videos like this,